Well, happy fucking hump day. For the last 2 years, I've been a little concerned about this guy because in my older videos on my other channel that I fucking crushed, I had sent most of you over there to watch him draw some fucking drawings and had told you very specifically the guy's on crack. His physics are fucked. He talks about Christ a lot. He doesn't like women. I think he's a fag. It's okay though, because we still love this guy. Well, at this point in time, he is actually proven to be less than a human. Um, this began a couple of years ago when he was poo-pooing the perpetual motion and free energy that I've provided. He comes off with, "Oh, how do you get free energy out of a magnet that costs $1,000?" Well, Lee, because the generators cost tens of thousands of dollars and they have to be replaced. My $1,000 fucking magnet could sit there for 1,000 fucking years and produce electricity forever. Okay? There, you're now paying $1 a fucking year for electric. That's pretty fucking free, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm just then it started with this whole in the Lost Book of Enki. It very clearly states when the sun and Nibiru near Earth, the axis shifts, thus beginning tribulations on Earth. This guy acted like he couldn't find it, and I'm just over it. If he's that dumb, and it just, I I can never mention this thing again. Okay, it's done. If you are dumb enough to actually go to that fucking page and believe a word that antifreeze salesman fucking tells you, you deserve the slow, painful, agonizing death you're facing. Now, slow and agonizing death is a good topic for today. All the trains could shut down in 6 days. Now, what have I told you for 2 fucking years? The grain's dying. The grain's dying. The grain's dying. Last year, they had to Tyson had to humanitarianly kill off their chickens. The cows have been humanitarianly killed off. The dairy cows were killed off. They've got new stock of fucking animals, and the reason being we didn't have the grain to feed them. We saw that happen. So let's not us forget the last 2 years of fucking no food. And then think about what I said. They will do any and everything to blame themselves for what is going on so you don't know we're out of food because that kind of population cannot be controlled. Well, it's a deadline for all the supply chains because of this fucking whole poopty bullshit going on about fuel and about diesel and about this. All of a sudden, we got shortages of every fucking thing. People, they want you dead. They won't want you to know that they have GMO engineered this goddamn famine into existence. Everything is engineered to make life tough right now. If you look behind you at night in the fucking north horizon, you will see why. There is a massive fucking planet right behind you that you can see every goddamn night on the northern horizon after dark. Look all around you. There's stars everywhere except your north horizon. Look a little closer. We've got good pictures of it. I made a video. Folks, this ain't no joke. We began monitoring this fall several years ago, and it started with this little bit of fucking messing around behind us, and we're like, uh-oh, what's this? And it has developed into an amazing display over the last 3 years. while CERN was shut down. Now we've got a continual display of awesomeness behind us as a result of our patience, years of fucking watching this and seeing what develops into. We have been watching this happen. And we watched the shadows creep up behind us really fucking close and get bigger and bigger every day. This isn't guesswork, obviously. You see the crunch in the front? We watched this develop. We watched the crunch develop here. We had even talked about, wow, I wonder what happens when this Cherenkov radiation permeates the satellite zone. It doesn't leave the fucking satellite zone now. And we've got laggy motherfucking internet every day. Well, go figure. We began watching, what, about 3, 4 months ago? Yeah, about 3 months ago, I guess. The top of South America and the Yucatan was on fire. I was like, oh my God, look out. Here it goes. We've been having 25 UVI every day. And then they shut down the UVI center over Africa about a week and a half ago, and they haven't moved it since. There's a spot in Siberia, the frozen tundra, larger, 4 times larger than the state of Texas, on fire. Congo's on fire, Africa's on fire, Asia's on fire, the world is on fire. There have been record fires in the tundra of Alaska this year going on for months before CERN ever turned the fuck on. There are fires all over the goddamn United States and Canada. So bad they can't see the fucking sky in some places. Complaining up here in Maine about the fucking fires in Canada so bad they can't even see the fucking fires in their own goddamn backyards. People, the world is on fire because we have extra suns in the sky. Do I have to prove it? If you can't look at the fucking 2 rainbows in the sky and see that they are 2 different spectrums and understand that that is 2 different light sources, I can't help you. You might want to go watch Scientific Lee.